Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. In the previous video, we just have seen the WordPress introduction. In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress through Bitnami. Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you all be fine. I am Jawad Haider from 101 Skills and we are learning full website building through WordPress. Today in 1.2 we are gonna learn how to install WordPress locally on our local computer using Bitnami for WordPress. First of all, you need to go on Google tab and type Bitnami for WordPress. Then in the search results, the first option is bitnami.com WordPress cloud hosting. Click on that. You'll be redirected to bitnami.com/stack/WordPress. Now you need to go to your operating system as Win, Mac, Linux. Click on that tab. Then you're having some download options: download for Windows, download for OS, or download for Mac. We have to install it for Windows. We will click on that, but we will skip the sign in options and we click on no thanks, just take me to the download. When we click on that, our downloading will start. It's a software of 200 MBs. It will take some time, but it will depend on your internet connection. I'm pausing the video here. I'll continue when it's finished. Now it has finished. We are in downloads. We have a software here, Bitnami. Double click on that. It will take permission for installation, and the installation will begin in minutes. Then select the language English. And then click on next. Then we need WordPress and PHPMyAdmin next, and then we have to give it a location folder. If you want to change it, you can change it from here, but click on next. Here we have to put our real name, our email address. I'm putting my name Jawad, and my email I've just signed up for yt101skills@gmail.com, and then login username. I'm writing here Jawad again, and then put some password here, but you have to remember that password because you'll need to have this. Then next. Login must not have capital letters. Now I'm changing it to Jawad. Now for port, we have to select a port where our web server will run. We will write 4 times 4 because sometimes the 444 port is busy and you'll have error with that port, so we'll entering here 444. Next, and here we have to enter blog's name, the website's title. You can give any title. Let's give here 101 skills blog. And next, if you wanna configure mail support, then you can check that box, but click on next. No, we don't need to launch WordPress in the cloud, so we uncheck that box too and press next. Setup is ready, and when we click on next, then our setup will begin. That's it. Now this will take some time installing the software. Now I'm pausing the video and I'll continue when it finished. Yes, now it's almost completing. Bitnami for WordPress. It helps us to configure our websites locally in our computer without internet, without any hosting, without any domain name. So it will ask for some permissions. Allow all of the permission it asks. It needs to install some servers as Apache server and other servers to run WordPress or PHP, any kind of PHP code on your computer. It will need some softwares as Apache server and phpMyAdmin. And when we install WordPress on our hosting server has all of the features installed already as Apache server or phpMyAdmin. Now it's just installing MySQL. Now we have to wait some minutes. In our first module, we are just installing WordPress locally on our computer using two methods. First method is using Bitnami for WordPress, and in the next video I'll show you how to install WordPress locally using local by Flywheel. I suggest you to watch both of my videos, both of my methods to install WordPress locally, and when you are finished, and then you can select one of them where you feel comfort of installing and which one you like to go with. The purpose of both of the softwares is same, as we just need these softwares to run WordPress locally. So the purpose of the both softwares are doing same, but you can select one of them which you find easy. It's just completing, creating an installer, just 1 or 2 minutes more. After installing local WordPress, we can access our dashboard. We can make any of the website in our local platform. Now it has completed the setup. Now the checkbox is checked and click on finish, and it will launch the Bitnami WordPress. Now in the browser we can see that WordPress is installed. Now we can access our WordPress clicking on access WordPress. Boom. We have now our WordPress installed on our local environment. Here is the title of our blog, 101 Skills blog. Here the by default main page of the WordPress by Jawad or author name or admin name. Whenever we install WordPress on our local environment, it installs by default as we are linking it here. So if we need to access the admin panel, we have to write it after WordPress wp admin or wp login. So it will redirect us to that page where we can log into the dashboard, enter your username and password. You check on remember me so that your browser will remember that. Yeah, that's it. Now we are in the WordPress dashboard, in the back end of the WordPress, from where we will configure our website on the back end. And in the next module we will learn inshallah how can we build our website To visit website, we can click on visit website, and it is the front end of our website. To access Bitnami for WordPress, we can search in our search bar Bitnami for WordPress, and it will open up the stack, Bitnami WordPress stack. And in this we can manage servers, add MySQL database and Apache web server. Both are running here. We can access our local WordPress when these services are running, but if we stop those services, we cannot access our local server. As we stop, if we click on stop all, then we cannot access our dashboard or WordPress. So we only can access our WordPress locally when these services are running. So make sure to start all the services before you're gonna launch the WordPress locally. And if you have finished your work, you can stop your services by stop all. Today we have learned how to install the WordPress using the software Bitnami for WordPress. And if you have any problem, any issue regarding this video, you can ask me in comments, or you can ask me in our Facebook discussion page, or you can ask me through email. I will respond to your questions as soon as I'll get them. So I request you to watch both of the methods, both of the videos, both of the methods for installing WordPress. Then you can choose which method you like the most. And if you have any issue, you can discuss your issue at our Facebook page at fp.com/yt101skills. Enter. I've made this page for web designing through WordPress full training, my page for this course, and you can discuss any of your problem, any of your issue here, or anything you want me to ask about that course, or about WordPress, or about further updates or further modules. You want to ask any question, you can ask it here, or through email, or through comment section of the YouTube for each video. That's all from this video, and we'll inshallah meet in the next video. Thanks for watching me.